Hey guys, this is a video to help those who are new to class or you are behind in your work and you want to be able to get your work completed and make your digital portfolio, since it is a huge part of our class and worth 20% of your overall grade for this class. So let's go ahead and watch how you do this. Okay, so I can go to my NISD portal. The next step, I can open up either my email or my Google Drive. So I've already opened up my Google Drive. Here's my Google Drive. I'm going to click on the waffle. Once you click on the waffle, you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on Sites. Then once you've done that, you are going to come over here and you're going to click on Blank, Start a New Site. Click right here. And that opens it up. Here is your site. The next thing you do is up in this top part, you're going to type your name, okay, and then digital portfolio. Now that'll automatically give it a name. Then right here, you're going to type in your page title, which will be your name, okay. So you could put Lori, or I'm just going to put your name. You're going to hit enter. You're going to hit com apps period and put your class period. And then you're going to type in digital portfolio. Okay, and you want to make sure you're spelling everything correctly. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that, and I'm going to make it larger. And then I'm going to highlight all of this and center it. Okay. So this is what this looks like. Then you're going to click over here and it says change image, header type. You click header type, you click large banner, so it makes it larger. So now if I wanted to, I really could come in here and make this much bigger. And I can stretch this out so that it fits all the way across, okay? So here we have it. Now, I don't like the style of the background of this. You could go and change image, and then you can simply click upload image or select an image. I can select an image. Maybe I like some of these. I can click on this one and hit select. You also could check the internet. It's totally your call on what you do for this one, but you could be creative and choose one of these images, and if you don't like it, keep it simple. How can I change the color? Over here you can select themes. Once you hit themes, you can go in and pick different ones. Maybe you like some of the way some of these look, and you can change the color. You can pick any style that you want to. Okay, so I'm going to hit diplomat for myself and change the color. So you could do it like this. All right. Now you're on this first page. The next step, you're going to see that these are the only options you have: themes, pages, insert. So I'm going to click insert. Now I'm going to select a layout. I'm going to select this first layout with the picture and writing on the right hand side. I click it. Right here I need to click on this and I'm going to upload an image, and this needs to be an image of you. Okay, so you might need to, you could go and take a picture of yourself on your Chromebook or your cell phone or whatever you're working on, and then you can save that to your computer or find a picture, save it, and then you can upload and put that picture in here. Some people put pictures of themselves with their animals or their family. That's fine, but I don't want pictures of you and your friends. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to click in the title. You're going to type in about me, okay? And then underneath here, you need to have 5 sentences. Okay, you're going to insert, so insert 5 sentences describing you. And it could be anything to let us understand and get to know you. Okay? So you're going to select insert 5 sentences to describe you, and then you'll have the first page, your home page, created. The next step we're going to add pages. This is very simple. You're going to come over, click pages. Once you click pages, you're going to push this plus sign at the bottom. You're going to add a page. Once you add a page, you're going to title this first one Presentations. Then you're going to hit Done. Notice how it's created right here, our new tab, Home Screen, Presentation Screen. On the presentation screen, you're going to end up entering and adding a rubric, and I'll get to that part in just 1 second because I'm going to have to, you need to email me and I will send you what the link is for the presentation rubric, because you need the actual live URL for it to be able to embed it so that you always know what that is, right? So I will go through and you'll need to email me so that you can get this completely embedded link, okay? So I can post that actually onto this video where you found this information. Now, I'm coming in here and I'm going to, once I have that link, I'm going to click on Insert, and then I'm going to click on Embed. I'm going to click Paste. When I clicked Paste, it looks awkward, but it's okay. Hit Insert, and there's my presentation rubric that's showing the live website. To make this larger, what you do, to make this larger, you can, it'll let you scroll down and see it, right? But you also can take it and you can drag it down by clicking on it, and you'll be able to now see the entire rubric. This is so that you have a reference to come back and see what your rubric, why your grade is the way that it is, right? And slowly we're going to add our presentations to it. The next thing you're going to do, so you'll be able to get this link. I will post it on the example that I have in Schoology, okay? All right, so the next thing you're going to do is click Pages. So you're going to click Pages. Then you're going to insert one more page, and that is your Friday presentation page, okay? You're going to hit Done. So here's my Friday, oh, I'm so sorry. Let me rewind that. I'm going to edit this. I don't want it to say Friday presentations. So I'm actually going to come over here to my pages, and I'm going to delete this. So sorry about that. I'm going to add a page, and I'm going to put Friday Reflections is what I wanted. I apologize. Friday Reflections. So here's Friday Reflections. Next thing I need to do is click Insert. Once I hit Insert, I'm going to push text box 3 times because we have done 3 text boxes so far. So 1, 2, and 3. Now, I am going to post my live link for this website, okay, on how to make a digital portfolio. I'm going to have the video located on my Schoology page, but I'm also going to have this here so that you can, if you fall behind, simply come and see, okay, I need to get mine looking like Mrs. Morales's. So this is week 1, okay? So you'll be able to access this, and you're going to go click on this so that you don't have to dig through all the pages of Schoology and try and find what that is. So you're going to highlight week 1, and you're going to come back to yours, and you're going to go into this text box, right click and paste. Here's what you were supposed to write for week 1's response. The next one is week 2. So I'm going to come back to Mrs. Morales's example, and I'm going to highlight it, copy it. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to paste this. Week 2, okay? Now, we are on week 3, but we're only going to be on here. This was for week 3's assignment, which actually was posted on September 25th. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to come in here and I'm going to paste it. But right here above it, I'm going to type in week 3. Now, we've been so busy in class that we have not been going in here and adding weekly reflections on Fridays, but we are going to continue to do that as of today, which is the 25th of September. Okay, so here's what it says for you to reflect on and to write, and all you do is click, enter, and then you just start typing your answer and your response here. Okay, So make sure you're always checking your spelling, punctuation, your grammar, everything before you post, because you will get points taken off for not doing that correctly. And then you have your website. Now, here's the last and most important part. When you're done creating your website and you've added everything in to each part, okay, your presentation, rubric, all of these things, you are then going to hit publish. When you hit publish, you are going to have this, and I'm going to put example. So it's going to automatically give you a web address based on the title. You're going to publish. Once you publish it, now it's live. It's an actual website. Then you're going to come over here and you're going to, since you're behind, right, you haven't shared your live link with me, and so that's how I'm grading people's work. I'm actually just clicking on their live link. They did not share their actual digital portfolio with me. They just shared the live link. So you're behind. So what you're going to do to make it even quicker, you're going to click right here. You're going to click that button, and then you're going to type in you're going to share with me. So what that button was, it's a little person with a plus sign. It won't be showing unless you publish, so publish first. And then you're going to push the plus sign, and then you're going to add my name. So Lori Morales, right? So here I am, Lori Morales. You're going to click on Lori Morales, and then that's going to share it with me and say, here is my late digital portfolio. All right. This is going to send me an email, and I'll know that you did your work and you're sharing it with me, and then I can update your grade. I also can make sure to get your live link, and then you simply send it. Okay. So once you do that, you're caught up. Now, let's say that I end up the next week, adding something. Well, if I end up changing something, maybe I add a new text box, and the next week, week 4. Once I go through and do that, well, now my web page is not current. So whenever you add something new, you have to go and click publish, and it's going to show what you currently have, and then it's going to show you your new draft. Okay, here it is, week 4. All you do is hit publish, and that's how you update. So whenever I give you a new assignment to add, once you have a published site, you must publish it again. Otherwise, I will not see your work. And that's it. That's all you need to do. You will not have to share it with me every single time, just the one time when you've created it, so that you could be caught up, and then I have access to it. Okay? So that is all to be able to create. Remember, you will see a new icon on Schoology, and it'll be a new entry page where I'm going to connect my live website so that you can come in and you can copy all of these things down. You can just highlight them and copy them into your new Google page your Google site that you're going to be creating. Now, if you are someone that has an iPad, it's a little different for you, so you're going to need to look on my site and specifically choose the instructions for creating this assignment on an iPad. Okay? That's it. I hope you are doing well, and I will see you soon in a Zoom. Bye.